There are many satellites orbiting the Earth and other planets in the solar system. A satellite is an object that revolves around another object in space. Some satellites are natural, like the Moon, and some are artificial, like the International Space Station. According to the UCS Satellite Database, there are 6,618 known satellites as of July 2020-31. Of these, 580 are in geosynchronous orbit, which means they stay above the same point on Earth's surface. Some examples of satellites are AIM, Aeronomy of Ice in the Mesosphere, an American satellite that studies the formation of ice clouds in the upper atmosphere. 3. Ariel, atmospheric and radiation effects of launches, a series of British satellites that measured the effects of rocket exhaust on the ionosphere. 3. Biosatellite, a series of American satellites that carried biological experiments into space. Chandra X-ray Observatory, an American satellite that observes the universe in the X-ray spectrum. Compton Gamma Ray Observatory, an American satellite that detected gamma-ray sources in the universe. Cosmic Background Explorer, COBE, an American satellite that measured the cosmic microwave background radiation. ECHO, a series of American satellites that were used as passive communication reflectors. Extreme Ultraviolet Explorer, EUVE, an American satellite that surveyed the sky in the extreme ultraviolet range. Far Ultraviolet Spectroscopic Explorer, FUSE, an American satellite that studied the interstellar medium and the formation of stars and planets. Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope, an American satellite that explores the high-energy universe. Glory, an American satellite that was designed to measure aerosols and solar irradiance, but failed to reach orbit. 3. Hinode, a Japanese satellite that observes the sun in various wavelengths. Infrared Astronomical Satellite, IRAS, a joint American, British, and Dutch satellite that mapped the sky in the infrared region. International Gamma Ray Astrophysics Laboratory, Integral, a joint European and Russian satellite that studies gamma-ray sources in the universe. 3. James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, a joint American, Canadian, and European satellite that will be the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, observing the universe in the infrared region. Kepler, an American satellite that searched for Earth-like planets around other stars. Landsat, a series of American satellites that monitor the Earth's land surface and resources. ROSAT, a joint German, British, and American satellite that surveyed the sky in the X-ray and ultraviolet regions. CSAT, an American satellite that was the first to use synthetic aperture radar to map the oceans. Solar Dynamics Observatory, SDO, an American satellite that studies the sun's activity and influence on the Earth. 3. Solar Terrestrial Relations Observatory, STEREO, a pair of American satellites that observe the sun from different perspectives. Spitzer Space Telescope, an American satellite that observes the universe in the infrared region. Suzaku, a joint Japanese and American satellite that observed the universe in the X-ray spectrum. SWIFT, an American satellite that detects and studies gamma-ray bursts. Themis, a series of American satellites that investigate the auroras and the Earth's magnetosphere. TIROS, a series of American satellites that were the first to provide weather observations from space. Transition Region and Coronal Explorer, TRACE, an American satellite that studied the sun's corona and transition region. Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, WISE, an American satellite that mapped the sky in the infrared region. Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, WMAP, an American satellite that measured the cosmic microwave background radiation. This is not a complete list, but I hope it gives you some idea of the variety and diversity of satellite. Satellite in Space, thanks for watching, like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.